becoming a more good human being is a lifelong journey. Small changes can have a big impact on ourselves and the world around us. Engage in random acts of kindness, such as offering help, listening.
Hello friends, welcome back to TechMate 23. Today we're going to explore two brand new AI video maker tool, deepbrain.io and Neiro.io. With the help of this tool, you can create a human-like avatar. We'll demonstrate how to create a video with a 3D talking avatar with the help of ChatGPT Prompt. But before we go further, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So let's start register for AI Studio using the link provided in this video's description to obtain a free trial version. You can register using your Google account or email. Click on the Create a Free Video button or log in to your dashboard. Click on the ChatGPT icon to start generating a video with ChatGPT's help. Type your command or prompt. In this video, I asked ChatGPT to create a video about how to become a good human being. There are some free templates. Select your desired template. Then click Create your video. Video starts generating. Wait for the process to complete. Once the generation process is complete, you can customize your video according to your needs. You can change the avatar, you can add background, music, any image, or you can also change the script. Once everything is set up, click the Export button and choose the video option. Wait for the making process to complete. Here's an example of the video result.
Allows us to identify our weaknesses and strengths, enabling personal growth and fostering actively listening, putting ourselves in others' shoes, and acknowledging diverse perspectives nurtures empathy and strengthens our relationships. Keeping a gratitude journal, expressing appreciation, and recognizing the efforts of others cultivate a positive mindset and improve well-being. Simple acts like offering a helping hand, showing kindness to strangers, or supporting others in need create a positive ripple effect and enhance our own happiness.
In part 2, we enter in Canva. We can generate free AI avatar by using Neiro AI. Let's use Neiro AI. Inside Canva, to make our human-like avatar, log in to your Canva dashboard. Click the Create Design button, then choose the video option. Go to the Apps menu, type Neiro AI in the search bar, and click on the Neiro AI app button. Click Open to continue. Now, select your desired AI avatar. You can change your AI avatar video with video stock from Canva. But before changing the background, you must remove the current video background by clicking the Edit Video button. Select the background, remover option, and wait for the process to complete. Now, go to the Elements menu, select the video section, and search for your desired video. When everything is done, select the download option. Set the video option and hit the download button. Here is the example of the video.
That enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance of